Hair done, nails done, everything did. Hair done, nails done, everything did. Oh, she fancy, huh? Oh, she fancy, huh? Oh, she fancy, huh?
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want, like. Bitch, saying bad, let's keep it a beam. Know they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to Ava Pearl's World. So, this is called Spooky Vlog because it is October 31st. This is my Halloween day, how I'm spending it. So, I want to get my hair done and I need to get my nails done for sure. And hopefully my brows and my threading for my lip, my upper lip or whatever, mustache, whatever you want to call it. And then I need to get an oil change. You know, real responsible, throw a little 1-2 up in there. But yeah, I'm here at my hair appointment right now. Like my tint is like, my car just is so dark honestly. But yeah, this is my puff right now. So yeah, it's actually been like about a year since my big chop because I cut it of October of last year, like around this time I think. Actually no, I think it was November, because when I went out for Halloween last year I was a nurse and I had my big ponytail, so it had to have been November. Yeah, but it's about a year. But yeah, this is like lots of growth, because if y'all don't know, well, go check my YouTube channel, like at the very bottom, because I actually started my YouTube channel like about a year ago, like literally. We making growth. So grateful for all my 326 subscribers because I started with like not that many. So always, you know, always be proud of yourself and don't like doubt yourself and compare yourself. Honestly, that's my word of advice, because we're all living our own lives and God has a different plan for all of us. So just don't give up, keep going, keep growing, and you're gonna find your people. So yeah, I'm finna get my hair done right now, and if y'all don't know what I'm getting, take some guesses right now. We're gonna make this fun and interactive because y'all, I didn't even say what I was getting yet. So yeah, guess. So let me get my lollipop in my mouth because we're gonna do a hair reveal. Gotta keep it sweet. The volume. I don't know how I feel because it's so short. Usually my hair is so long, but I haven't got a silk press yet while it's short. It's really giving though. I know how I feel. I like it, but I might make it like a middle part later. It's giving. Shitted on him, man. I just shitted on him. But I literally gotta go to this appointment. It's already 12:24. But get into it. All right, nails gonna be done, and I'm gonna come back and chat with y'all. No, this is eating. Like at first, let me get this apple pie lollipop up out my mouth. It tastes really good though. At first, I was like, I don't know how I feel when I was in there, because I was like, it's giving like the side bang. I don't know, like it's giving grown. It's giving a little bit too grown. But I'm almost a 20-year-old woman. Like I need to be stepping up in this energy now. I love it. It was worth the coins. Thank you, Dominican Divas. Got me right. Now this vlog is barely getting popping right now. We just getting started. Nails finna eat right now. And it's perfect season because it's not too hot outside. Like it's pretty chilly. So yeah.
Know
hair done and the nails done so far. So I tried to get a lot of footage of the nails because that's a more comfortable environment for me to record in. Like the hair salon, like there really wasn't nothing for her. Like it was like it just took really long to sit underneath the dryer, apply all that heat, and it's not as entertaining as the nails. But lashes are off. They're probably like, girl, where your lashes at? They're right there. Because one of them was like halfway on and I was not going for that right now because what do I look like walking around with one lash on? Half a lash on. Comment down what y'all think about the hair. I'm trying to like really grow into it already. I don't want to rush the process of me growing into my hair, but I don't know. I don't know how to feel. It's cute. Like I was feeling it earlier, but now I'm just like, I don't know. And that's just real. Like, maybe I just need to like go like play with it or something. I just have to go and get my eyebrows done because I don't know if the camera's picking it up. I'm sure they are. Insane. Like my, what the fudge? I can't drive and be on this vlog, y'all, and I'm getting so irritated right now and I'm about to go crazy. Hey y'all, so I love my hair now. I just added some edges and I just kind of like worked with it. I put some gel on the top because see like my little like pieces, I'm just like lay down my bob, yeah, but it's my earring underneath. Come on, lay down, you know what I mean? I just want it to be bobbing. Miss Bobbiana is bobbing pretty hard. And I did my makeup because I'm gonna go bowling. And here's the nails again. Ooh, ooh la la, fix the ring. Ooh la la, the thumbs. So yeah, this is me just filming my outro because I gotta go do some things. And yeah, I did end up going to get my eyebrows threaded. Didn't mean to flip y'all off. Oh my goodness, forgive me. I was just pointing with my middle finger. But yeah, the eyebrows, y'all can get into it. And the mustache hurt. Y'all, if you ever want to go get your mustache threaded for the first time, it's gonna hurt, but I highly recommend doing it. I'm gonna let y'all know like if it really lasts longer than wax, but definitely expect some more content from me because I love looking in the camera. I'm like, who is this woman? Who is she? Just kidding. I was gonna give y'all content even if my hair wasn't done. I have just been all over the place, but I have a list of like videos I need to make or whatever, and I'm like still editing. But yeah, I want to like do different hairstyles already, but it's just so fresh, you know. You're not supposed to like immediately start like putting it up because then it's not gonna be as like, you know, suppressy, you know. Anyways, yeah, so that's it for this video today. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. I had a lot of fun. And the oil change is gonna happen tomorrow. I didn't get to that, but yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want, like. Bitch, stay bad, let's keep it a beam. Know they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems.